Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a strategy that can significantly boost your lead quality and average job value in Google Ads, targeting high income searchers. This is especially crucial for businesses offering premium services like custom home builders, high-end interior designers, and luxury pool installers. And for our example today, we'll look at our made-up fake friends at Apex Landscapes. So they specialize in those incredible full backyard transformations. We're talking custom patios, intricate walkways, and stunning retaining walls. These are high ticket projects, and to make them really profitable, Apex wants to connect with homeowners who are actively looking for and can afford premium hardscaping. So targeting higher income households helps them find clients who value quality craftsmanship and are ready to invest in their dream outdoor space, rather than just looking for the cheapest option or the people who are just browsing but can't afford their services. So, one way to do this that I'll cover today is through audience targeting. So, to get there, you want to make sure that you select your campaign, then scroll down on the left hand side and go to audiences. Next, go to under demographics, click household income. All right, so Google Ads, it doesn't have a direct income checkbox for every country, but in some regions like the US and Canada, you can target estimated household income percentage buckets. This means that you can target the top 10%, 11 to 20%, 21 to 30%, and so on based on Google's estimates. And although they are estimates, this can be a powerful layer to add to your targeting for those high value prospects. As an example, scroll down, show table. See, we have all the different buckets here by ad group. And for this example, we will exclude the lower 50% of household income. They likely can't afford Apex's premium hardscaping services. So to do this, you would click on the green dot and then click exclude from ad group. Do it again, and then the third. And then you can do this for other income buckets depending on your customer base. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Google Ads topics you want me to cover. See you next time.